Mays here. Billy Mays here with a wonderful new product called what's it called? The Marvelous Magical Monkey's Paw. This paw can grant 3 wishes to 3 people! Wow! This paw can remove even the toughest of stains, like fire or ketchup. Wow! Don't believe me? Just watch this! Come here! Wow! Let's get this stain out!
Oh no! I wish I didn't have this stain on me. Wait, I know how to get rid of it. With the monkey paw. Thanks, Billy Mays. I wish I didn't have this stain. Wow, it really worked.
It can even remove blood stains. Come here!